Hi, this is just a little tour of my nearly complete folder, calling it the Cliff. We have blue micarta scales, we have titanium pivot, titanium screws here and inside, titanium stop pin and back off spacer, and titanium liners inside, brass thumb studs, and 1095 steel, which I have not heat treated yet. I just want to get the geometry right. Lockup is very early. I might want to fix that and get the lock bar to move over a little bit. I'm experimenting with washers. I have nylon washers right now, and it's buttery smooth. I also have phosphor bronze washers, which I also like, so I'm going to give that a try too. Right now it's a controlled, opened knife featuring a modified Tonto grind, which I also have to sharpen. So there you go. It's my knife.